Alright, so what's up guys? Today I want to do a little back test on Friday, price action for ES, and then also kind of go over the strategy again one more time. Okay, so first of all, this is what you need. You need a moving average angle alerts indicator, right? This is my custom indicator. You can get it on TradingView by searching uh, SMA angle SMA angle alerts by Ready Set Fire. That's me on TradingView. Okay, you need that indicator, and then the settings are yeah, you set it to EMA 21, which is this white line over here, 35 degrees angle, and bars to check for slope two bars. Okay, and this is what you see. There's these red and green vertical lines. Okay, basically that's what's gonna give you the trend qualification. Okay, so now over here, what it's telling you is, okay, the moving average 21 on the 5-minute chart is angling down 35 degrees or more according to the last two bars. Okay, so now you know you're looking for short. Okay, the next step is you have to wait for a pullback to the this two you need these two more indicators over here, two EMAs. Okay, EMAs 50, they're both EMA 50. Wait a minute, that's not it. This one over here. EMA 45, we can do 50, but 45 gives you a little earlier entry. 45 set to the low, which is the green line, right? This green over here. And then EMA 45 also set to the high, okay, which is this one. So the idea is you get the trend qualification. Okay, we're going down, wait for a pullback. Now, this is what the discretionary part comes into it. Okay, here the price come close enough to the EMA 45 high, right? It came within 1.25 points. To me, that's a valid entry. You could enter over here on a short position. Okay, and then with this strategy, you want to look for um, 10 points of reward, 5 point stop loss. Okay, so you go 5 points, 5.25 points just to and you look for 10 points. Okay, so that's 10 points right there. Okay, now that is it. You don't enter again unless you get another uh, trend qualification alert, meaning the angle is going down again 35 degrees or more on the 21 EMA. So that's it, right? On the London session, you would have got those 10 points. Okay, now this is also why it's so important the uh, what I'm gonna say, the discretion. Okay, you could enter if you didn't enter over here. Let's say you say, okay, you know what, this is not close enough for me. I want it for a deeper pullback to the 45 EMA high. You didn't enter over there, but then you enter here, you would have gotten stopped out. Okay, because you can see 5 points, 5.25 points. You get stopped out. You get the point. Okay, you get stopped out, and you probably only got 2.5 points of into profit. But so that's why I think at the most minimum 1.25 points, close enough to the entry trigger. That's okay. So that's that. Okay, New York session starts. You get, okay, we're going down, blah blah blah, going down hard. You're waiting for that pullback for you to enter. Okay, there's another discretionary part, and what I advise is, since we're going down hard so much, okay, and then you get an alert here. Okay, it seems like now we're going up because you get this now. The 21 EMA is angling up 35 degrees or more, right, according to the last two bars. uh, this is a mistake that I made where, okay, now we're going up, and I disregarded all this trend going down, okay? And I enter long over here on one of the accounts, and I obviously got stopped out. What I should have done was, okay, this is the pullback that I was waiting for, and I should have entered over here short, okay? And oh wow, that would have been also a stop out. Price was moving, so yeah, that would have been the stop out on for C525. Barely made it, right? But if you enter ahead of time, you didn't wait to the touch, then you would have been stopped out and then and the trade would have gone, in your direction like big time. Okay. Another thing to consider. Let's say you didn't get stopped out over here. Once you get a candle like this candle over here, for example, right? That closes below if you are in a short position, right? If you get this candle that closes below the EMA 45 low, right? Or even in this candle, then you move your stop loss either to break even or maybe a little below, okay? So now you let's say after this candle, right? This candle closed below the EMA 45 low, you move your stop loss to break even, okay? Maybe a one tick in profit. And then you just trail it, okay? And it keeps going down, and then you kind of trail the price behind the EMA 21 or behind the EMA 45 low, okay? You kind of trail it that way. And this trade would have netted you, say you entered over here, 36 points, okay? On ES. So, and that would have been it. So you got 10 points over here plus 36 points over here if which nobody does, just close it at the last minute. What's up, Mio?
I don't want to play with that great one.
With what?
Great one.
Okay. And so yeah, that's it. That's it pretty much. Let me see what else. Then you got more trend confirmation that the price is going down right over here, and then price pull back over here. You could have entered another short over here, right? And but that's at the end of the day, right? You gotta have context too in the market. That's even though that's 650, that's quite nice for ES, right? Depending on how many contracts you're trading, right? But you see, that's 6 points real quick, right? And you can also have after a certain amount of points in profit, you can move it to break even, take some partial profits if you're trading micros and all this stuff. So that's it. But that's it pretty much for the strategy. Like and subscribe the video. So that's 36 points on ES on Friday. And what, Tony?
I don't want to play with it.
Okay, they don't play with it, Pablo.
I'm ready to chapo chapo.
Okay, I'll give it to you. Give me a second, okay? Yeah.
Yes.
All right. No, Tony.
Picture.
Huh?
Picture here.
Mm-hmm.
See you.
That's me, yeah, and that's you over there.
Hey, Tony there.
Uh-huh. All right, Tony, let's wrap this up. So that's it pretty much. Again, get the indicator on TradingView. Search for moving average angle alerts by Ready Set Fire. This one over here. Hang on, Tony. This one right here. SMA angle alerts. All right, thank you guys. I gotta go. Tony, stop moving.